Hi guys, I am Chubby Deigh and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please do click that red subscribe button so that you become part of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload. And please do follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to style your knotless braids in different ways. So let's get straight into the video. First things first, I want to show you how long my braids are. Like, they are literally long, as you can see. So in this video I won't be talking, I'll be just showing you the hairstyles. Please do enjoy.
Yeah.
that brings us to the end of the video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below the kind of hairstyle that you really liked, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload. Bye.